Jen, what is your name?
My name is Jejen.
Okay. Jen, do you know cheating?
Yeah. No, 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 no. I cheating.
No,
I cheating.
Okay. No, I cheating. Okay. What do you think about cheating?
I don't know.
Okay. Have you ever cheat?
I don't know.
Okay. Why do you cheat?
I don't know.
Okay. How do you do that?
I don't know.
Okay. Is there somebody find you when you are cheating?
I don't know.
Okay. Have you do you have a friend who likes cheating?
I don't know.
Okay. How does your friend do that?
I don't know.
Okay. What do you feel when you are cheating?
I don't know.
Okay. Is cheating a good habit?
I don't know.
Okay. In your opinion, how to solve that habit?
I don't know.
Okay.